Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nairobi. Alright, I am at Home Depot and I'm showing you this closet organization that we're going to be doing here in a little bit. So we're also going to be doing an extreme makeover, and I also did the Marie Kondo method, which it's definitely helped me like a lot. It's helped me reduce the amount of headaches I would have walking into my closet, and I'm also taking off all the hangers because I'm getting rid of pretty much all of them. The hangers that I have are going to be black suede and white and black. The plastic ones from Target. So we did go to Home Depot and we bought the Closet Made for the closet. Wait, what? The Closet Made boxes. So I'll be showing you, and go ahead and stick around so you can see how I transform my closet. Alright, so here we are at Home Depot. First things first, we had already measured my closet. And so once you know the measurements to your closet, when you go to Home Depot, you look for this brand called Closet Made. And pretty much you can customize your closet how you want, depending on how much cabinets you want to use. Not cabinets, drawers. Okay, I'm not really good at this, okay? You want to add different drawers, like depending on how deep you want them, how skinny you want them. I'm showing you here. This is what we're going for. And so we did end up buying the boxes that are T4, which are the big ones right here, the big center ones that have like cubbies inside them. And so we're also painting the closet, and we're also adding floor to it. So I'm here picking the colors. I initially wanted to do like a navy blue, like a light blue, not navy, like a light baby blue. But then I was like, no, what if I do like a peachy nude, But then I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick my favorite color, which is purple. And I wanted to do like a lilac, like a light purple. And I'm showing you here. The color I ended up picking was the Bare Ultra. The color is Imagination with the base of 7750, in case you were wondering. So we're all loaded up here, ready to go. And we're just waiting on the paint. And I was so excited. Like this same day that we went to Home Depot, we came home and we started tearing the whole carpet out, taking the trim off. And I also started painting, and I stopped painting like around 11 something because I was already tired from trying to take off, like the carpet nails off and everything, loaded everything to the trash. And here's the paint color that we ended up getting. It's so beautiful, and I'll show you. Or of course, I'm going to insert a clip at the end, but I'm just showing you. Okay, wow. So after me pretty much, what, 2 hours taking out all the shoes and clothes and just removing everything that was from the top of the shelves, this is what my closet looks like. And I'm showing you the layout. I do not like the layout of my closet. And plus, I just hate the carpet. I was so excited. I was ready to take the carpet down. So let's go ahead and start with the fun part. Oh, from that light on top? Should I make that light longer?
No.
No, that's good, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so I'll leave this for now. So just paint all around this.
I want to take these things off though.
Yeah, we're gonna take them, but I have to go get a haircut.
Okay.
We'll paint all around it. And when I get back, I'll take them.
Okay, so this is the final look, and I'm starting off with my chandelier. This is from Home Depot, and it's the Palermo Grove Black Gilded Iron Chandelier. And the light bulbs that I'm using are the Philips, what was it? Philips Hue White LED Smart Wireless candle bulbs. I think I got it right. Yeah, candle bulbs from Philips. All right, so I'm showing you these shelves here. Babe was the one that did these shelves with the hanging rods, and as you can see, the wiring. These are the wires for the camera. He still has to cover this hole right here, but we're actually gonna take a break this weekend and start on it next week. So all he has to do is cover that hole, hide these wires, and add the trim. And he said he's gonna add more shelves so I can add my jeans. Yeah, I try to make it like as presentable as I could for the video because I wanted to share with you how you can make your closet, give your closet an extreme makeover. I pretty much shoved all my workout clothes in that cubby. And these shoes, okay, these shoes are still not as how I want them to be, but I just wanted to share with you how the floor looked like. The floor that we used is also from Home Depot, and it's the hand scraped woven Earl Grey bamboo flooring. And yeah, let me see what else. See, I have to also change some of the hangers because I don't like how some of them are white and some of them are metal. I ran out of hangers, and this setup here, I just put all my purses and hats up there and my bras. I need to add more shelves to this cubby. My shorts, the Hello Kitty is not supposed to be there. And see, I just shoved up all my purses in that little cubby there, which I don't like how it looks, but we're gonna add more shelves to the very, very top so it can look a little bit more organized. And wait, this clip is not supposed to be in. I already organized everything. But okay, so this was everything I wanted to share with you, and thank you for staying. Thank you for staying. Thank you for stopping by, and let me know down in the comments if you've done an extreme makeover to your closet or if this motivated you somehow. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.